to fix YouTube TV keeps logging me out. In order to fix this issue, first of all move into your App Store. Here in the source bar, search for YouTube TV. And then move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then you are not using the latest version of the app. So simply tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device and then move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. In the source bar, search for YouTube TV and then move into it. Tap on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. So once done, try accessing to a YouTube TV app and then enter login credentials. After that, you'll be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.